Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the NSPopOver API to display a popover as a view controller on your toolbar in native macOS application with Swift. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you guys the output so that you guys have a better idea. So I have this view controller. So this is one of the view controller. It has nothing on it, but I have attached one toolbar to my view controller as a plus button, and once I click on this plus button, here you can see I am displaying another view controller as a popover. So that's what the advantage of this popover is, and if I click on the plus button again, it gets dismissed. So yeah, that's what this is. So firstly I need to create this UI. So this UI can change to whatever you feel like. So I have created a native macOS application using Swift. I am using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Firstly I have created one more view controller called plant sampling view controller. Name it whatever you feel like, and this is the actual view controller which get displayed as a popover. So here you can see. Now I won't go through the code, like I have just created a normal popover. So you can change the content to whatever you feel like, because the popover content will differ from app to app or whatever your requirement is. So not much over here. Next you will have to come to your main view controller. So here we are extending NS view controller, which is by default. Then we are initializing NSPopOver, and here we are initializing our view controller. Then I have set the popover behavior to be transient. Given that we want to display a toolbar, so I have created one toolbar as well. So here is our toolbar, and assigning it to our Windows toolbar. Okay, then we have to so given that we have to display the plus button inside our toolbar, that's why we have to extend this NS toolbar delegate. And here you can see I have just created using the system symbol of plus button, and on click of it I have created this action. Okay, so here again we are overriding this because we want to display our toolbar. Okay, so this is related to toolbar and not related to our popover. So on click of the button, so here you can see I have attached one action. So here I am just checking if the popover is shown, then close it. If not, then assign the our view controller as a content view controller to the popover, and the view controller is this particular one, plant sampling view controller. And then we just show popover.show relative to toolbar item. Yeah, that's it. That's how you can use the NSPopOver API in native macOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.